this is a moment, and I hope that you'll remember this moment. Life is a series of moments. Now, we've spent more than a few moments talking about planning this wedding. I'm sure that you've even spent more time thinking, pondering, questioning, debating all these things that went into this day. What I hope for you today is that you will just enjoy the day. Love brought you to this place. Love will carry you through all these moments that you experienced together. And all these people here are wishing the very best for you. So on behalf of all of them, I invite us to enjoy the moments.
I carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I'm never without it. Anywhere I go, you go, my dear. And whatever is done by only me is your doing, my darling. I fear no fate, for you are my fate, my sweet. I want no world, for beautiful you are my world, my true. In it you are whatever a moon has always meant, and whatever a sun will always sing is you. Here is the deepest secret nobody knows. Here is the root of the root, and the bud of the bud, and the sky of a tree called life, which grows higher than the soul can hope or mind can hide. And this is the wonder that keeps the stars apart. I carry your heart. I carry it in my heart.
Lauren, today is the day we've been waiting for. It's the day you go from my friend, my honeys, to my wife. I'm beyond excited for today to stand in front of all of our friends and family and be able to make you my wife. Overwhelms me with emotion. I cannot picture my life without you. You are my better half, my love, my soulmate.
Honeys, our big day is finally here. After 2 long years of planning, we can now get our journey started as husband and wife. Little did you know, ever since I was a little girl, I prayed for you, and I am so thankful God has brought me to you. Ever since that moment, we said the words, I love you. I knew from that moment we were destined to be with one another for the rest of our lives.
From the time I told you in English class that you're my next girlfriend to today, I've loved you. You have always been the one. You make me want to be a better person. You push me to reach goals I never thought I would reach. You are everything I want and everything I need. There's no Trave without Lawson. We've been through so much. One thing has remained constant, my love for you. You'll be the perfect wife, the perfect bride. I cannot wait to see you walk down that aisle. We've been planning this wedding for so long. I don't know what's next, but I'm the luckiest man in the world to be able to go through life with you.
Our relationship from friendship to a loving partnership came so easy and without hesitation. I fell head over heels in love with you. You really are everything I've always wanted and everything I never knew I needed. We have gone through so much together, from challenges of a win or loss. You know how to pick me up and put an endless smile on my face. Just knowing how caring you are to both Benjamin and I makes me beyond excited to grow old with you and gives me security of knowing how you're going to be the best father to our little minions one day. I promise to be patient, faithful, and always root for your team, even Michigan. I wouldn't change our story for the world, and today we make our first step in building our family together.
Love you. Like it?
Yes.
Nice.
Gorgeous.
Love you.
Hi, baby. So beautiful.
Thank you. Do you like it?
Oh my God, yes, look at you.
Dear friends, we have come together to witness the marriage of Lauren and Josh, to surround them with our prayers and to share in their joy. Scriptures teach us that the bond and covenant of marriage is a gift of God, a holy mystery in which two people come together in love and take a journey together.
I, Josh,
in the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Lauren,
take you, Lauren,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow,
This is my solemn vow.
I, Lauren,
in the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Josh,
take you, Josh,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer and for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and in sickness and in health,
Crushed it.
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
It is my distinct and most honorable pleasure to introduce to all who are gathered here for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Trave. You may kiss.
Trave would flirt so hard and stayed so persistent on saying things like, Lawson, will you go out on a date with me? Lawson, you're so beautiful. And finally, Lawson, I'm going to marry you someday. All the time. And Lauren would respond in her Lauren ways like, oh my gosh, stop it, Trave, come on guys. She just acted so coy on liking him. And that's when our roommate, Erica Hoffner, and I, at the time, knew secretly that she was starting to fall for him. So when they finally took their first picture together at our Revenge of the Nerd mixer at the Tall House in February of 2011, Erica and I decided to print it out and put it on the refrigerator. After our initial reaction of seeing it, we knew we had to keep going. So for those late weeks following up, Lauren would find it on the ceiling fan, on our license plate, on the bottom of the frying pan, burrito, everywhere in the apartment, because we knew the two of them, they were falling for one another.
When Josh started dating Lauren, you knew they were always going to be together. They just connected. There was no doubt this was someone he was going to spend the rest of his life with. I do have to say to Trave, though, just how lucky you really are. You will leave here today with a wife who is warm, loving, and caring. And Lauren as well, how lucky you are. You leave here today with hopefully some leftover catering. But Lauren is just such a wonderful person and would do anything for you. She is strong, beautiful person inside and out. She never holds anything back, and that's what makes her so great. She is such a great addition to our bandit crew, and I'm grateful to call her and Trave some of my best friends. I'm so happy for Josh that he gets to marry the love of his life, his ride or die, the Rachel to his Batman. Love you, brother. Congratulations to the new Josh and Lauren Trave.
If I know love, it shouldn't hurt. Hold on tight in the waves with me now. When the lights go, sound. Hold on tight, will you wait with me now? When the night come, hold on tight.
In all, there is something special to say about this day, and that even before it started, I already know what my favorite memory is. It is that you chose me. I am unforgettably thankful I get to love you every day. Let's do this thing. Love always, your soon-to-be wifey, Lauren.